Freedom 2.0, make the loudest of noise for the one, the only, the Shahenshah, Manish Kumar!
खतरनाक हूँ मैं, हर एक पल में चालाक हूँ।
Freedom 2.0! Are you excited? Make some noise! Okay, sit down. Love you too. Okay, girls, I love you too. Okay, settle down, settle down. So, how are you guys doing? Awesome? Okay. Now, how many of you were really excited when you got to know that freedom was about to happen? I know a lot of you were. But a lot of you, it didn't really make a difference. अलग अलग तरीके से लाते हैं हम फ्रीडम में. कुछ लोग खुद आ जाते हैं, वेरी एक्साइटेड. कुछ लोगों को अपलाइन ने झूठ बोल के लाया कि ज्यादा नहीं है, बस सुबह 9 बजे से 12-1 बजे तक फ्री हो जाएंगे और फिर तो बैंकॉक है ही. Any of you were lied to? One person. No? I know some were emotionally blackmailed by their uplines. मैंने आज तक तुमसे कुछ नहीं मांगा है. बस एक बार, एक इवेंट. How many of you were emotionally blackmailed? Oh. Okay, quite a few. और कुछ लोगों को तो घसीट के लाया गया, मतलब चल फ्रीडम, चल चल चल. कितने लोगों को घसीट के लाया गया? काफी सारे. Now, whether you came on your own, you came willingly, you were very happy to come, or you were forced into coming. The question is, how have the last 3.5 days been? And let me tell you guys one thing. It has just started. The best is yet to come. So, a lot has happened in the last 3.5 days, right? And I know a lot of you have got your breakthroughs. I can see it. So when we see Narendra Kriplani talked about network marketing, किस किस को एब्सोल्यूट क्लैरिटी मिल गई इंडस्ट्री को लेके, कंपनी को लेके. अब कुछ नहीं बचा इधर, नो किरकिर. वेरी गुड. एंड व्हेन आवर कोच spoke about dreams, how many of you found your dream? And then ACC4 Bhavya, when he came, okay, make some noise. Okay. So, when Bhavya came and spoke about being fearless, a lot of you decided, took a decision. अब डरने का नहीं है. True? And then, when we partner Dev Advani, when he spoke about breaking boundaries, a lot of you broke that boundaries in your head. True? And then, when Ankit Raj spoke about ownership, how many of you have taken that decision that this is my business, ये धंधा मेरा है? And last night, when we partner, Satish Sendati Raja spoke about it's my life. How many of you have decided to live your life? So I can see all of you are excited. A lot of transformation has happened, right? And I can see the gleam in your eyes. I can see that you're in love. Have you fallen in love with QNet? दिख रहा है. What love? Okay. So you've fallen in love. Rise in love. Okay. So rise in love. But now, let me tell you something. Just being in love is not sufficient. It's very, very important to be in love, but that's not all. It has to be backed by actions. Because if you don't back it by actions, वो प्यार रहेगा नहीं ज़्यादा दिन. Right? How many of you fallen in love before? Everyone, right? I have fallen in love multiple times. Before my marriage. But वो जो पहला प्यार होता है ना, first crush, that is special. Do you guys remember your first crush? Even I remember my first crush. अच्छी तरह. It happened ages back. You know, when I was in class 8. And the MCs mentioned I went to a boarding school. Right? It was a co-ed school. And there was this girl. You know? Her name was... नहीं. आजकल सब कुछ YouTube पे आ जाता है. So let's give her a name which is similar to her actual name. Well, let's call her Neelu. Okay? Neelu. So Neelu Are there other Neelus here? Okay. So Neelu and I, we were batchmates. We were in the same class, right? और साथ में I joined school in class 2. And she was also, I think, around the same time. But उस समय, you don't notice people from the opposite sex. You know, class 2 में कौन notice करता है? किया है? किया है. Okay. In fact, junior school में, boys and girls, they hate each other. लड़ते रहते हैं एक दूसरे से. Right. And when you move to senior school, which is from class 7, that is when some change starts happening. The same girl that you knew for the past 6 years suddenly starts to look a little different. Some transformation begins to happen. So one day, in class 8, outside, I was just taking a walk, and suddenly I see Neelu coming towards me. And she had beautiful eyes. And when I looked into her eyes, my heart skipped a beat. I froze. And it was not just looking at her. Suddenly there was a gush of wind and her hair waved. And for the first time in my life, I had no clue what was happening to me. And then, when I went back to my dormitory, I couldn't sleep that night. And then when I woke up, now while we were in the same batch, unfortunately, we were in different sections. So I would, जैसे ही टी ब्रेक होता था या लंच ब्रेक होता था, I would come out. I would be the first one to come out of class. And I would go, stand just outside her class. I would pretend that I'm talking to someone. But मेरी नजरें उधर होती थी. How many of you can relate with it? सबके साथ हुआ है? तो मुझे प्यार हो गया था. And every day it became a ritual. I would get out of class, stand there, pretend I'm talking to someone, but keep looking for her. और जब नीलू बाहर आती थी, I would freeze, right? Okay. अगर मैं गाना गाता तो पहले ही भाग जाती. मैंने ट्राई भी नहीं किया. एंड आई यूज्ड टू थिंक, क्या करूं क्या करूं. कुछ नहीं किया. एक साल निकल गया. अब हम क्लास 9 में आ गए. एंड देयर वाज दिस फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन हु वुड एक्ट एज इफ नो बहुत सीजनड है. He knows all about this. And he started giving me advice. बाद में I realized he had never spoken to a girl in his life. ऐसे लोग होते हैं एडवाइस जो देते हैं. मेरी जिंदगी में भी था. So, and you know what advice he gave me? Now, how many of you remember Amul chocolates? What was the tagline? A gift for someone you love. He said, give her an Amul chocolate. She will get the message. I said, makes sense. You know, for lack of any other option that I could think of. I said, let's try this. तो बहुत डरते डरते अमूल चॉकलेट लेके आया मैं. First I thought I'll go and give it to her. And I got up. But मेरी फट गई. I said, nahi, I don't think I can do this. Let me try another approach, indirect approach. So there was another girl. Okay. So I went and I spoke to her. I wanted to tell her that please give this to Neelu. Right? But I was so nervous. I don't remember what I said. She ate the chocolate and sent me a thank you note. Not Neelu. This girl. And then, every time I would walk out of class, she would be standing and looking at me. बहुत समझ में आ गया, रॉन्ग नंबर लग गया है. और फिर तो इसी तरह चलता रहा. आई केप्ट थिंकिंग, कुछ करूंगा कुछ करूंगा. कुछ नहीं किया. 6 महीने बाद एक सीनियर आया, ले गया. कितने लोगों के साथ ऐसा हुआ है? बहुत लोगों के साथ. तो आपको भी अभी अभी सबको प्यार हो गया है क्यूनेट से, राइट? यू आर चार्ज्ड अप. You've taken a decision. But if it does not translate into action, आपके prospects को कोई और ले जाएगा. Like I said, being in love is very, very important. But it's not good enough. It has to be backed by action. True? Are you with me? Have you guys heard the Baba story? Okay. Let me tell you the Baba story. You guys like stories? ठीक है, सुनाता हूं. So there was this couple, right? काफी टाइम हो गया था शादी हुए. 7-8 साल हो गए थे. And they really wanted a kid. Right? But somehow नहीं हो रहा था. It was just not working out. बहुत कुछ ट्राई किया, सब कुछ ट्राई कर लिया. मेरा मतलब है IVF सब ट्राई कर लिया. But no result. And they were very upset अब क्या होगा, विल वी एवर हैव अ किड, यू नो. सो एक दोस्त उनका आया और वो दोस्त बोलता है, देखो एक बहुत पहुंचे हुए बाबा हैं. नो, डोंट अज्यूम थिंग्स, हियर द स्टोरी. तो ये बाबा बहुत ज्ञानी हैं, पहुंचे हुए हैं, और आप लोग बाबा का नाम सुन के हंसिए मत. आजकल बाबा लोग बदनाम हो गए, बट कुछ जेन्युइन बाबा भी होते हैं जिनके पास समाधान होता है. सो दे अप्रोच द बाबा. दैट वाज द ओनली होप, राइट. अब डूबते को तिनके का सहारा. तो पहुंच गए दोनों बाबा के पास. बाबा की जय हो, बाबा की जय हो. बाबा ने बोला, क्या समस्या है? तो उन्होंने बताया कि बाबा, शादी को 8 साल हो गए हैं, बहुत दिन से हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बट संतान का सुख प्राप्त नहीं हो रहा है हमें. तो बाबा ने बोला, नो प्रॉब्लम. तो बाबा ने कुछ गोलियां निकाली और उनको गोलियां दी कि ऐसा करो, संतान चाहिए? सेड यस बाबा. रोज दोनों एक एक गोली खाना, और रोज खाना विदाउट मिसिंग, और 3 महीने में गारंटीड यू विल कंसीव. खुश हो गए दोनों, बाबा के चरण पे गिर गए, थैंक यू बाबा, और फिर चले गए. अब 1 महीना बीत गया, 2 महीना बीत गया, 3 महीना बीत गया, कुछ नहीं हुआ. 4 महीना, 5 महीना, फाइनली 6 महीने निकल गए, कुछ नहीं हुआ अभी तक. तो अब दोनों को गुस्सा आ गया. दे सेड, बाबा ने तो हमारा काट दिया है. दे डिसाइडेड टू कन्फ्रंट द बाबा. तो दोनों पहुंचे बाबा के पास कि बाबा ये क्या है, आपने बोला था ये पुड़िया गोली रोज खाओ, 3 महीने बोला था, 6 महीने हो गए, अभी तक कुछ नहीं हुआ है. तो बाबा ने पूछा, रोज खाया तुमने? यस. विदाउट मिसिंग इवन अ सिंगल डे? दे सेड यस. दोनों ने खाया? यस. फिर बाबा ने पूछा, और क्या किया? उन्होंने कहा, कुछ नहीं. अब कुछ लोगों को ये जोक समझ में आ गया, कुछ लोगों को कल समझ में आएगा. यू विल सडनली टुमारो व्हेन यू वेक अप, यू विल स्टार्ट लाफिंग, हा, वो कुछ नहीं किया था, हा. और जिनको कल भी नहीं समझ में आए, उनको जाके पोगो चैनल देखना चाहिए. सो बेसिकली गोली पुड़िया ये सब ठीक है, बीइंग इन लव वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट बिना एक्टिविटी किए कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. नाउ, राइट नाउ, लाइक आई सेड, यू गाइज आर इन लव, यू आर हाई ऑन एनर्जी, हाई ऑन बिलीफ, you are ready to conquer the world today. But if it does not translate in action, it will be an absolute waste. सिर्फ प्यार होने से कुछ नहीं होता है. अब मैं बताऊं क्या होगा चैलेंज. I'll give you some good news and some bad news. Which one do you want first? Okay, I'll give you the good news. थोड़ा ऑप्टिमिस्टिक होना चाहिए लाइफ में. So the good news is that 20% of you, after this event, your businesses will turn around. A lot of you will max out in the next 6 months. At VCon Malaysia 2020, you will have 10 times the size of your team. But that's for the 20%. The balance 80%, या तो आप नजर नहीं आओगे, you will not survive, or you will barely survive. You'll be there with the same team size or a lesser team size. Now, do you want to know the difference between the 20% and the 80%? Now, the 20%. Now, when all of you go back, right? Forget the 20%. Everyone, all of you, when you go back, what happens? You've just come back charged up. But the point is, you spend 6, 7 days and you come back home, right? And you meet your parents. And your parents will say, बेटा और बेटी, इतने दिन से तुम बाहर थे, 2-3 दिन घर में बिता लो, right? Your kid will say, Papa या Mama, I missed you so much, you were away for so long, please 2-3 days spend at home. बीवी बोलेगी, इतने टाइम से तो तुम बाहर थे, इतने प्यार से बात नहीं करेगी, अब 2-3 दिन घर में रहो, बहुत हो गया. जो शादीशुदा नहीं है उनकी गर्लफ्रेंड बोलेगी कि हनी सिर्फ शादी से पहले ही होता है. बेबी प्लीज लेट्स गो आउट, नो लेट्स स्पेंड सम टाइम, राइट? और बहुत लोगों ने, कितने लोग बता के आए हैं ऑफिस में कि हम क्यूनेट के लिए जा रहे हैं? 1 person. Your boss must be signed up, right? Not yet, okay. But most of you made some excuse. शादी में जा रहे हैं, छुट्टी पे जा रहे हैं, कुछ तो बोल के आए हो गोली दे के. And there's a lot of work that has piled up in the office. So your boss will expect you put in late nights and clear off all that. And some of you, your friends, कि यार तू भाई नहीं रहा, मिलता ही नहीं है इतने दिन. अच्छा बता तो बैंकॉक में क्या क्या किया. और कोई और दोस्त का फोन आएगा, यार सैटरडे को क्या कर रहा है, फ्री है ना? देयर आर 2 girls who want to go out dancing with us. So there will be all sorts of distractions. Happens? It will happen. When you go back, distractions will come. That's a reality. Now the 80% people, they'll get carried away. कि 2-3 दिन तो रेस्ट कर लेता हूं, और खुद लग रहा होगा कि 7 दिन हो गए, सोए नहीं है. How many hours are you sleeping at an average? 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours maybe? 5 minutes. I heard there are teams that land up at the arena at 3:30 a.m. So all these teams sitting in front, and there also, okay. So the point I'm making is you barely slept. Or you'll also, अंदर से भी आवाज आएगी, your voice will talk to you कि यार you're tired, you need some rest, you need a good sleep. So the 80% people will listen to others because everyone has an agenda. Parents have an agenda कि बेटा बेटी healthy रहें, health भी important है. Kids have an agenda, spouses have an agenda, friends have an agenda. I'm not saying whether the agenda is right or wrong. But you need to have your own agenda. So, 80% people will get distracted and say कि चलो 2 दिन, 3 दिन आराम कर लेता हूं. I'm convinced, belief है, excitement है, energy है, 3 दिन के बाद जाके करूंगा. चौथे दिन जाऊंगा मैं. Trust me, वो चौथा दिन कभी नहीं आएगा. Because the state that you're in right now, this is when you're going to be effective. Because you're charged up. Like I said, right now, there's no doubt in your belief. You are high on energy. You are high on confidence. You are ready to conquer the world. But 3 days break, 2 days break, 1 day break, it'll all vanish. The last 5, 6, 7 days will be a complete waste. But the 20% people, they'll get to work immediately. Sleep, drink, food, nothing matters. Because their agenda is clear. They have taken a decision and they will do anything to make their dream happen. And the 20% people, suddenly their business will shoot up. You know why? Sign ups logic पे नहीं होता है. Sign up financial plan पे नहीं होता है. Financial सबको समझ में आता है. Everyone wants to make money. But the final decision of your prospect signing up or not signing up depends on the excitement, the belief, the conviction that he sees in your eyes. And right now, every prospect will see that conviction. So it doesn't matter how many rejections you've had so far. You could have had shown 40, 50 plans and not got a single sign up. See what happens when you go back. 40 plans, probably 20 sign-ups. But it'll only happen if you get to work immediately. Time नहीं waste करना है. जाते ही plan पे plan. Your agenda should be clear, whatever your agenda is. So I believe coach agreed to extending the qualification for breaking boundaries. Maybe that should be your agenda. I don't know what the qualification criteria will be. But in this stage, if you get into action, you will meet any possible qualification criteria. And once you start, your business will take off. You will get sign-ups, team size बढ़ने लग जाएगी, पैसा बनने लग जाएगा, downlines का पैसा बनने लग जाएगा. But I'll tell you the next challenge that will come. I'm talking about अभी से लेके VCon तक क्या क्या होगा. Now suddenly you see success. बहुत दिन से हो सकता है 4 महीने से एक भी चेक नहीं बना था. Suddenly 7-8 चेक्स बन गए, 10 चेक बन गए, 15 चेक बन गए. All of a sudden. You're happy, you're excited. यहाँ का खर्चा ticked, taken care of. Other short dreams that you would have had, they'll get ticked. And then complacency will set in. बहुत दिन से रगड़ के काम किया है, अब कुछ दिन आराम कर लेता हूं. Do you know what will happen after that? सारे किए धरे पे पानी फिर जाएगा. The people that you've signed up, suddenly they'll disappear. Your checks will go down. Your system count will go down. And you'll be back to square one. And I'm telling you all this through experience. I've been in this business for 9 years now. So I can speak with some degree of authority now on this business. And this is what happens after every event. So it's not about just going and getting into action. That is important. Obviously, you have to go back and get into action. But you need to be consistent. बिना consistent हुए कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है. You have to do it every day. Right? Every successful person, no matter what the industry, has been consistent. Every day, kept on doing the same things again and again and again and again. And that's why they're successful today. You heard Terence Lewis, right? Today he's Terence Lewis. But for 20 years, he kept doing things every day. In his own words, he said, it took me 20 years to become an overnight success. And I'm not even talking about 20 years. I'm talking about 5 years from now. Can you do this every day for the next 5 years? Because if you can't, it's not going to work. You'll be part of that 80% who could have also made it, but did not. And if you do, you'll be part of that 20%. Every success, and you look at any industry. I'm very passionate about sports. Soccer, cricket, right? How many of you love cricket? So VP Dev spoke about Sachin Tendulkar, right? I don't know how many records he holds. Do you know that Sachin Tendulkar and Vinod Kambli, they had the same coach? called Ramakant Achrekar. You know, and he coached both of them from a very early age. He knew their talents, he knew their strengths, their weaknesses. And Ramakant Achrekar said, he believed, and he's made this statement, that Vinod Kambli was far more talented than Tendulkar. Where is Kambli today? And what happened to Sachin Tendulkar? He's become a living legend. विनोद कांबली को शायद आपके बेटे नहीं जानेंगे, आपके बच्चे नहीं जाने, आप जानते हो बिकॉज उस एरा में देखा है, बट आपके बच्चे नहीं जानेंगे विनोद कांबली को. सचिन तेंदुलकर को इवन योर ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रैंडसन विल नो. Now what was the difference between Kambli and Tendulkar? Tendulkar was disciplined. His work ethics were extremely strong. He believed in doing things every day, every day. He would go practice for hours and hours and hours. You think it's easy? It's not easy. You think it's fun all the time? If you go and play cricket for a few hours, it's fun. But if you have to do the same thing again and again and again, it gets boring. You know how a batsman practices? You have the bowling machine, and they keep throwing balls at you, cricket balls, and you keep practicing the same stroke again and again and again and again. You will never achieve perfection. But the more you practice, you will keep getting closer to perfection. Sachin Tendulkar, it didn't matter to him. Tufan ho, Diwali ho, Holi ho, दोस्तों का birthday ho, nothing mattered. You think Sachin Tendulkar did not have a family? He was married, had kids. दिवाली उसके घर में नहीं होती थी. When you go back, by the way, दिवाली आ रही है. दिवाली कब है? कब है दिवाली? Sorry? 27th. That will be a big distraction right now. So Sachin Tendulkar के घर में भी दिवाली होती थी. Do you think it stopped him from practicing every day? He practiced again and again and again, and he would evaluate. He would listen to his coach. He would take feedback and implement it again and again and again. You remember an Australian cricketer called Brad Hogg? एक बार in one of the matches, India-Australia matches, Brad Hogg got Tendulkar out. Do you remember that match? And obviously he was excited. You know, getting Tendulkar out is like taking a dream for any bowler. So obviously, Brad Hogg was really excited. And he went to Tendulkar after the match with a photograph of him dismissing Tendulkar. And he requested Tendulkar to sign it. And Tendulkar, being Tendulkar, signed it. But below that he wrote, "This will never happen again." And that was the only time Brad Hogg got Tendulkar out. Because he came back, he watched the videos, and he practiced that stroke again and again and again and again and again. So he was far better prepared the next time. So while we've been attending this conference for the last 5 days, 3-4 days, you know that there was a test match being played between India and South Africa. How many of you have been following that? It was a trick question. You were not supposed to. Who's the upline? So in that match, India won by an innings and some 130 whatever runs. And the Indian captain Virat Kohli was on 254 not out, declared the innings. Now what makes Virat Kohli the best batsman on the planet today? It is his discipline. It is his work ethics. He practices every day. कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता उसको, आंधी तूफान. He is there for practice, never misses a practice. He watches his diet, he is very particular. You think विराट कोहली को temptations नहीं होते हैं? He's on a strict vegan diet. Are you aware? You think he doesn't want to eat a pizza at times? He doesn't want to have mango juice at times? But he knows his goal. And he knows that these are only distractions in the path of making him the best batsman in the world and keeping him the best batsman. Today I'm very proud about where Indian cricket has reached. But it wasn't always the same. You know, a couple of decades back, how many of you have been following Indian cricket for the last 2 decades? Was it this way? It used to be a very different team. And at times, it would be embarrassing the way we would lose. वो शारजा याद है? शारजा tournament. Our fielding was so pathetic कि मनोज प्रभाकर का नाम इंडिया गेट रख दिया क्योंकि उसके पैरों के बीच से चली जाती थी बाउंड्री. The fitness levels were at very different back then. Today, you look at the Indian cricket team. Name one player who's not fit. Everyone is in shape. Look at where Indian fielding has come. Unbelievable fielding, unbelievable catches. And that transformation has come because of the captain Virat Kohli. Because that is his work ethics. And he ensures that not only does he practice it, he ensures the entire team practices it. So when you have that discipline, you have that consistency, your downlines who sign up will also have that consistency. They will also follow exactly what you do. And that's the culture that will get built in your team. And which is why it's important to do it every day. एक दिन का भी break नहीं होना चाहिए. And this is true for anything in life. कुछ भी अच्छा पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है, कुछ sacrifice करना पड़ता है. A lot of you have seen the before-after pictures of people, 120 kilos to 70 kilos. देखे हैं pictures? Now, who doesn't want to look fit? Everyone wants to look fit, right? So, lots of people go and join a gym. They take a membership. 90% people don't come for more than 2-3 days. The gymnasium does not make money from people who come regularly. It makes money from people who pay and don't attend. और कुछ लोग हमको स्कैम बोलते हैं. Why? Because when a person takes membership, excited है, has decided, has that after picture in mind, कि मुझे वो बनना है. I need to be there. And then starts. Goes the first day, works out. उस समय तो हो गया. What happens when the person goes back? How many of you exercise, been to a gym? A lot of you, right? So what happens when you work out the first day and you go back? The next morning when you wake up, what happens? The body pains. Every muscle hurts. And which is why most people don't go back the next day. Because वो सोचते हैं कि बॉडी अभी बहुत दर्द हो रही है, 2 दिन का ब्रेक ले लेते हैं. वो 2 दिन से 3 दिन हो जाता है, 3 दिन से 4 दिन हो जाता है, 4 दिन से 5 दिन हो जाता है और छठे दिन भूल जाते हैं. From being a member, they become an alumni. And this is what happens with 90% people. But जिनकी आपने तस्वीरें देखी हैं, before after वाली, वो क्या करते हैं? पेन होता है, but they will still go. They will push themselves because their dream is important. They know what they want to become. वो उठते हैं, they'll get out of bed, push themselves, go back to the gym, and again train. And at times, it's hurting. You can't go on. But your trainer saying, one more. And they keep pushing. They keep listening to the trainer and working out again and again and again and again. और तीसरे दिन भी आते हैं, चौथे दिन भी आते हैं. And they keep coming month after month after month. And in a year's time, it's a before and after. So when you go back and you start doing activities every day, you will get results. और बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं करनी है. Simple. Yesterday, day before yesterday, VP Dev Wadhwani said 3 things. What are the 3 things he said? Presentation, registration, training. 3 चीजें करनी है. Simple. आपको वो पुराने बॉलीवुड मूवीज में there was this villain called जीवन. You remember जीवन? तो जीवन was also very clear. उसको जिंदगी में सिर्फ 3 चीजें पसंद थी. मोना, सोना और मोना के साथ सोना. So you need to be clear. सिर्फ 3 चीजें. Keep it simple. Presentation, registration, training. अब ये 3 चीजें करने के लिए बहुत कुछ करना होगा. लाइक छोटी छोटी चीजें. लाइक जिम में भी कुछ लोग होते हैं जो मेहनत करते हैं, रोज मेहनत करते हैं, बट उस हिसाब से उनको रिजल्ट नहीं आता है. डू यू नो व्हाई? बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव अ ट्रेनर. दे हैव नॉट हायर्ड अ ट्रेनर. यहां पे सबके पास ट्रेनर है? अरे जिम में नहीं, बिजनेस में. हाँ. एवरीवन हैज अ कोच. एवरीवन हैज एन अपलाइन. I can guarantee you, if you do activities every day, you go back to the gym. Sorry, not the gym. You go back to your association. You do presentations, you do registration, you do training every day. You will be successful. कुछ लोगों को सक्सेस लेट से मिलेगा. मे बी 2 महीने में कुछ नहीं होगा. But you have to keep at it. Again and again and again. And I can guarantee you, I'll tell you from experience, I've seen a lot of people come and go. If you do it again and again and again and again, a time will come when it will happen. मेहनत कभी वेस्ट नहीं जाता है. हार्ड वर्क नेवर गोज टू वेस्ट. मालूम है क्यों? क्योंकि so every day you need to go back. Go back to the association and do your basic activities. Call your prospects. Line up plans. And like I said, you will see results right now. When you go, in fact, you should start making calls right now, immediately after the event gets over. Don't even wait to go back. When your prospects hear the excitement in your voice on 15th night, when you get free from here, when your prospects hear that excitement, आधा sign up वहीं हो जाएगा. The mental sign up will happen. Like I said, it's not the plan. It's the excitement and the passion which draws people, which brings sign up. Because पैसा तो सबको चाहिए लाइफ में. लेकिन no one wants to go and spend time with someone who's boring. उसके लाइफ में खुद ही कोई रंग नहीं है. कोई क्यों आएगा उसके पास? On the other hand, you know, have you noticed that every successful person, every leader in this business has very high energy levels, is always excited, always happy. Think about all your uplines who are growing. They're all excited. And it's that energy which draws people, right? But like I said, they're excited because they're doing it every day. And they're seeing results. And that is what keeps the excitement going. Because if you don't come for 3 days, वो excitement खत्म हो जाएगा. And to get it back, it'll take ages. We'll have to wait for another event to get that excitement back. Do you want to wait for the next event? No. Are you going to be excited? Yes. Are you going to do it every day? Yes. Will you show a plan every day? Yes. Will you make calls every day? Yes. I want you guys to watch a video about successful people, legends, who became legends Because they kept doing it every day. Kept doing it every day. Freedom 2.0. Do you have a dream? Are you excited? Will you go back and do it every day? You will face rejections, after rejections, will you still do it every day? People will laugh at you. People will make fun of you. Will you still do it every day? There will be rain. There will be storm. Will you still do it every day? Repeat after me. Do it every day. Do it every day. Do it every day. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Freedom 2.0. As your CC, I want to ask you a question. Can I count on you? Are you sure? Will we have 12,000 people at the next Freedom? As an upline to my team over here, I am telling you, be prepared to do it every day. We will be 4 times the size at WeCon Malaysia 2020. Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! Freedom Bangkok! If you've taken that decision, when I walk out from here, I want you to go to your upline. I want you to go to your downline. Look at them and make a promise to do it every day. Thank you so much, and I love you.